Are you tired of clicking around LegalZoom's dashboard trying to find your LLC documents? Learn exactly how to download them in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you the exact path through the menu, then how to select your document and start the download. Homepage. Click Documents in Sidebar. Now select eSignature from the options. Click on the specific document you want to download. Next, click the 3 dots at the top right corner of the document. Then choose Download from the menu. Select Plan and Download. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.